In ArcGIS Pro we can add 3D animated symbology. In this video we will see how we can add 3D animated symbols in ArcGIS Pro. So let's get started. We have a point layer. We have loaded the point layer here. You can see the points. If we turn on the attribute table, you can see that we have class field, and there are three classes: 0, 1 and 2. Let's make it 2. So 3 classes. Let's close this and save, and these are the points. Now go to insert, new map and new local scene. A new 3D map is opened. Here we can move in 3D space. Using the mouse middle button you can move in 3D space. Also, if you want to move from here, you can turn on this and then move the 3D elements, rotate and other things. Now we need to load the point layer here. Go to catalog and then bring our points layer into the 3D layer. Now you can see that points layer has been loaded in 2D layers. Let's move it to 3D layers. Now let's zoom to the points. Now we want to add the 3D symbology to our points. For that, right click on points and go to Symbology, and then instead of single symbol we will use unique values. And for unique value we want to use the class field, so that 3 classes will be made. You can see that we have already added 3 classes. Now we will change this symbology. Let's change the symbology for the 0 class. Click on this, search for animated. Now we have animated symbology, 3D animated. Let's click this pine tree, go to properties, let's make it 100. Now if we move this 3D slider, you can see that we have 3D plants. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Now let's change the symbology for class 1. Go to gallery and then search for animated. We want to add a wind turbine. This way you can change the other symbologies and add 3D animated symbology to any points.